Hello everyone, I hope all of you are fine. So we have kept this meeting to discuss about our fine arts activity.
So, our topic is Ajanta Caves and we can take reference from our book and the net.
I think we should do it such a way that others find it interesting and attractive.
Guys, I have an idea. Since COVID-19 is over and all the places are safe, why don't we plan a trip to Ajanta Caves?
Well, that sounds unique and interesting. What say?
I think that's a good idea.
Let me just book the tickets.
But first we should decide that what are we going to do there.
I will shoot our journey.
Then me and Kushi will study the paintings deeply there. So me and Neha are going to learn more about the place and the Ajanta Cave.
So, are we all ready to go on the trip?
Caves are approximately 30 rock-cut Buddhist cave monuments which date from 2nd century BCE to about 480 CE in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. They are universally regarded as masterpieces of Buddhist religious art. On 28 April 1819, John Smith, the Madras Presidency officer, accidentally discovered the entrance of cave number 10 while hunting a tiger, which led to the discovery of the showpiece of Ajanta Caves.
Cave 1. Bodhisattva Padmapani. Features. Bodhisattva is holding a Padma in his right hand. He is wearing big rounded crown and his head is slightly bent towards the left. Eyes are half closed and nose is straight and sharp. Cave 26. Mara Vijay. Features. Lord Buddha is seated in Dhyan Mudra under the Bodhi tree. Mara is riding his elephant to attack Buddha with his tenfold army. This composition is very complex and highly dramatic. Cave 17. Apsara. Features. A beautiful woman's face is shown wearing a distinctive turban. Her eyes were designed to convey emotions. She is adorned with heavy jewels.
Cave number 1, Mahajanika Jatka panel. Features. It is painted on the entire wall side. It is the biggest narrative painting. The arrangement of figures is delineated and well integrated. Cave number 2. It is the sculptural panel in the veranda of cave number 2. It is looking very naturalistic and facial expressions are shown. Typological and stylistic variation are also shown here. Cave number 10. Buddha. Features. This is the earliest Chaitya in the cave complex. The nave is separated from the aisles by 39 octagonal pillars. The scene depicts worship of Bodhi tree.
Cave number 19. Features. The facade of the Chaitya is decorated with the various carved figures. Buddha offering his begging bowl to his son Rahul is depicted. Two life-size Yaksha figures are sculpted on either side. Cave number 9. Features. One of the oldest Chaitya in Ajanta, the nave is flanked by the LCs on the either side. The stupa stands on the high cylindrical base at the center of apse. Cave number 7, Nagaraj. Features. The vihara consists of two small porticos, a central hall and the Garbhagriha. Depicted is seated Buddha sheltered by the Naga Muchalinda. Caves is one of the most famous UNESCO World Heritage Site and is being protected by the Archaeological Survey of India. Ajanta Cave have a lot of fragile murals and statues which were being damaged in the past, and to protect these murals and statues, the Archaeological Survey of India has imposed many restrictions which are as follows. No camera flash or harsh light is allowed inside the cave since the strong ones can damage the murals. A limited viewing time has been set, which is 10 minutes per viewer. Barriers at 8 to 10 feet has been set in the front of the murals and Buddha statues to prevent the viewers from touching the artwork, since the statues and the murals are in a very fragile state and has many missing portions.
By getting inspired from some of the paintings like Bodhisattva, Padmapani, Apsara and Buddha in the Sanctum, we have tried to recreate them.